हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द न्यू वीडियो ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सर्विस सेक्टर इन इंडिया। हम अपने डेली लाइफ में बहुत सारी सर्विसेज यूज करते हैं जाने अनजाने में टू मेक अवर लाइफ इजी सिंपल एंड फास्ट। जरा एक बार सोच के देखिए कि अगर आपकी दिन की शुरुआत उन सर्विसेज के बगैर हो रही है जो आप हर दिन यूज करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल, आपकी दिन की शुरुआत सुबह उठते ही आप मैसेज चेक कर रहे हैं ऑन द सोशल मीडिया से कॉल्ड ऑन व्हाट्सअप, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और लिंक्डइन, और सपोज देयर इज नो इंटरनेट सर्विस, या आप स्कूल, कॉलेज और ऑफिस जाने के लिए आपके पास कोई ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सर्विस नहीं है, ना रेलवे, ना बस, ना ऑटो, ना कैब, ना ओला, ना उबर। फॉर एग्जांपल, फॉर आफ्टरनून लंच, आपको लंच की फूड की डिलीवरी के लिए कोई ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन नहीं है। इट सीम्स वेरी टफ, it seems very difficult, but all these facilities and all this convenience, it has been empowered by the service sector. So the service sector is the heart of the modern Indian economy. क्या आप जानते हैं इंडिया का हाफ ऑफ द जीडीपी कहाँ से कंट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है? इट इज कंट्रीब्यूटेड बाय द सर्विस सेक्टर। यस, राइट। फ्रॉम हेल्थ केयर, फ्रॉम एजुकेशन टू हेल्थ केयर टू टेलीकॉम टू बैंकिंग टू ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सर्विस सेक्टर इन इंडिया। जरा एक बार सोचिए, द आईटी जायंट्स कंपनी कॉल्ड टीसीएस, विप्रो, इन्फोसिस, HCL टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मेनी मोर, they have put the Indian they have put the India on the global map in the IT services. So Indian service sector is playing very crucial and very important role in the development of our nation, or not only the nation but the individual life. So today we will see the importance of service sector in India. The first point is what? The service sector, it is important for India because it is contributing to our GDP. This service sector is one of the largest contributor to the Indian GDP, and it contributes around 55 to 60% of the GDP. So this service sector is one of the biggest sector as compared to agriculture and industry both combined. This is providing the highest contribution to the Indian GDP, and this company are playing major role like TCS, Infosys, banks, telecom industry, healthcare, tourism, transportation. Next, why service sector is very important for our country? Because this is the biggest job generator. This is the biggest employment creator in India, and major of the people, they have been employed in the service sector, and it is contributing nearly 30% of employment. 30% of job is created by the service sector in India. So major population are employed in the IT sectors. TCS, like Wipro, Infosys, they are providing direct job or indirect job. Direct job called software developer, engineers, administrative staff, and indirect jobs are provided like transport facilities, securities. So lot many in e-commerce, in retail. So the retail, the big giants retail, the group, the chain of retail business like Reliance Retail, DMarts, they are providing millions of job, thousands and millions of job to the Indian population. Next, Zomato and Swiggy, they are also giving lot many direct and indirect job through their services called food delivery, online food delivery in India, like packing, warehousing, like delivery boy. So lot many jobs are created, and this is the biggest sector who is providing a good number of jobs to our nation. In like a hospital, these are the just example, but apart from this, there are lot many services who are providing lot many jobs to the Indian people. इन सोशल डेवलपमेंट, आपका और हमारा भी डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द सर्विस सेक्टर, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर टेकिंग एंड यूजिंग लॉट मेनी सर्विसेज इन आवर डेली लाइफ to make our life easy, simple and fast, to make our work easy, simple and fast. So what type of services we are using on a daily life? We are using, like example, we are using the telecom service, we are using the internet service. Example, Reliance Jio, they have entered and they are the big giant company in the telecom industry. They have provided the affordable, the cheapest internet data connectivity to the Indian people in the rural area as well as in urban area. And by using this internet connectivity, by using this data calling, by using these calling services, the life of the society is increasing. There is a development. This is called the social development. Second, we are using the banking transactions. We are doing the financial transaction. We are taking the financial products and using the financial services like Paytm, Google Pay, digital payment services. So these nowadays आप देख सकते हैं आज छोटा सा भाजी वाला, फ्रूट सेलर, एक पानी पूरी वाला, एक ऑटो वाला आज डिजिटल पेमेंट सर्विस यूज कर रहा है। एक स्मॉल मर्चेंट, एक स्ट्रीट वेंडर, वो क्यूआर कोड से पेमेंट ले रहा है, वो जीपे से पेमेंट ले रहा है, एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है। सो दिस इज व्हाट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी through the service sector. These all by using all these services like healthcare, the chain of hospital, Fortis, Apollo, work hard. So we are using all the healthcare facilities, hospital facilities. So the common people are taking the best healthcare facilities through this service. That is why this service sector is very important for our society and social development. Then the foreign exchange. So this service sector is helping to earn the foreign exchange, and to earn the foreign exchange by selling the by exporting the services to the foreign country, to the foreign people, and to the foreign company. So this is what eighth largest exporter of services, especially the big IT giants company, and India is earning major finance, major income from major foreign exchange income from IT sector called TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HCL, and other technology. That is why this plays very important role in the development of our nation. Next, improve the standard of living, because our standard of living is increased or increasing by the help of the services that we are taking on our daily basis. We are taking lot many services on our daily basis because it is increasing our life. It is making our life simple, easy, and fast. We are using the service called network data like Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone. So they are providing internet service, they are providing high internet speed, they are providing calling service, network service. So this is much needed services, and it increase our standard of living. A recreational facility, healthcare facility, transportation, like we are using the railway, we are using the bus services, we are taking the services of Ola, Uber, entertainment service. So these are the companies or services like SBI, HDFC. They are providing the financial services, financial product, and financial services that we are taking, and we are using that. Hospital services, telecom industry like Jio, Airtel. So lot many services we are consuming, we are using to make our life easy, simple, and fast, and this increase our standard of living. And then this service sector is also playing very important role in supporting the other sector called a primary sector, agriculture, and secondary sector called industry. uh, every sector needs the services. हर एक सेक्टर को सर्विस की जरूरत है। वो बैंकिंग की सर्विस एक एग्रीकल्चर को भी लगेगी, इंडस्ट्री को भी लगेगी, इंश्योरेंस दोनों को लगेगा, देन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, लॉजिस्टिक्स, सप्लाई चेन. सो दिस सर्विस सेक्टर is playing major role by supporting to the agriculture and industry. Example HDFC, SBI, they provide banking facilities, they provide financial services. So everybody wants these basic facilities. Example, network facility, telecom facility, we everybody needs. It may be agriculture or it may be a industry. So Reliance Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, they provide telecom network services. This agriculture and industry, they need transportation facility, they need warehousing facility, they need insurance facility. So this service sector helps the agriculture and industry. Next is infrastructure development and urbanization. Due to the high need and high requirement and high demand of real estate, tourism, logistics, they encourage the infrastructure development and urban facility, and that is the result that the Indian government is putting and investing a lot of money in the basic infrastructure development called road, bridge, airport, railway, hotels. So this is what infrastructure development is taking place in India, and the urbanization is taking place. The facilities to the urban people is increasing super fast. So example, Ola, Uber, Taj Hotel, banking services, ICT, tourism, Mahindra Logistics. So these services are attracting lot many investors, are encouraging the government to invest and to develop the infrastructure. Then growth in tourism. This service sector in services of tourism and cultural exchange. So nearly 10 millions of international tourists has been attracted towards the tourism in India in the recent year. So this is the power of service sector. And example like Make My Trip website is there. They are providing the services of arranging your tours. Thomas Cook, IRCD. So they will help you. They will plan your all tourism. They will plan your travel, and they will plan your travel accommodations and other facilities. So this sector is also increasing super fast in India, and as a result, example like Goa, Kerala, this place have been developed very fast just because of the tourism in India. Next, increasing financial inclusion. Right now, the government initiative has been taken by Jan Dhan account. So 80% of the youth they are having the bank account, and they are using the financial services. They came under the Indian financial system. So everybody is using the financial services. Everybody is using the banking services. It may be a loan, it may be a deposits, it may be a consumer loan. So it is very accessible to all the people of the nation. So that is what service importance of service sector, because everybody is coming under the Indian financial system. So banking services, financial services, example Paytm, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Airtel, Paytm Bank. So these all are helping the nation and bringing everybody under one shade of financial system in India. Then next service is it facilitate the regional development. When they are working, this company helps for the regional and area development. If the big company will come in a rural area, and they are starting their plant, they are starting their offices in that particular area, so that area will automatically develop. Because when this big company, say for example Reliance Jio company, they have started their office, their branch, their plant in some remote area, in some underdeveloped area, so that area will slowly and gradually will develop. Because this when this company will come, then the people will going to come there for a job. When the people will going to come, then the banks will come, the schools will come, the college will come, so that regional development will take place. So this service sector also helps in facilitates the regional development. Example, that Reliance Jio, the network and data will come in that particular area, so that area will going to develop very fast. Then banks will going to come, bank will open their branches, then transportation facility will increase. So overall, there will be a regional development in that area. Then capital formation, that a lot many this service sector is increasing in India. So as a result, they are attracting lot many investors, foreign investors, domestic investors, international investor, and they are investing in India in the service sector. Say for example, in infrastructure, in banking, in financial services. So like example FDI, foreign direct investment in IT, in BPO, banking, telecom service. Example Vodafone, that is FDI. This is the product of FDI, foreign direct investment in the telecom industry. Then e-commerce, Amazon, Walmart has invested in the Flipkart, logistics and transportation service. So overall, there will be a capital formation through the service sector in India. So next is service sector is helping in reducing the income inequality. So because service sector is one of the largest sector who provides a huge employment to our nation, to our people, and as a result, then when the people will get the job, जब लोगों को जॉब मिलेगा तो लोगों के खीसे में, लोगों के पॉकेट में पैसा आएगा, और वो पैसा लेकर वो मार्केट में जाएंगे टू फुलफिल देयर नीड्स एंड वांट्स. So that inequality in the rich and poor class will come down. It will going to minimize, and they are going to use all the services, best services. Example, retail services, then it may be a telecom services, it may be a online food delivery services, IT services. Even the common man and common people are using this, so there will be a reduction in the inequality. So that is why this service sector plays very important role for the overall development of the nation, as well as development and growth of the individual in our daily life. So this is all 12 importance that we have seen as an importance of service sector in India. So I hope you all have understood this topic called importance of service sector in India. So this is it from my side for this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take much care of yourself. Thank you.